All right, Wednesday morning. It's about 6 a.m. here. Got the coffee on, piping hot, ready to go. So we got a mixed bag heading into the day right now. S&Ps are lower, Dow's lower, Nadex higher, powered by those tech stocks. Big news out overnight is the U.S. government in Houston, Texas shut down, or is ordered to shut down at least, of the Chinese consulate there. Apparently in an effort to protect intellectual property is how they're putting it. So last night, I guess, it was seen that there were some burning barrels and some stuff being put into those burning barrels, and fire department comes, and next thing you know, things escalated quickly, and now we're shutting down the consulate in Houston, and that's got China pretty fired up, and they are indicating they're going to retaliate. That could be shutting down an American consulate somewhere in China. Don't know yet, but what does that mean? Well, anytime there is escalations between China and the U.S., it tends to impact markets in a negative way. Markets do not like uncertainty between China and the U.S., as China is a big player in global demand. So right now, hasn't impacted the market all that much. We are seeing strength in the dollar since this news came out. We're seeing a little bit of a weakness in the broader market. Oil is weak at the moment, so we're down about 1.5%, 50 cents in oil, so just about $41 a barrel. We have gold pressing higher. You look at the market that's been volatile as of late, definitely gold, a lot of action in that market, well north of $1,800 an ounce now, and seeing that press higher this morning. So a lot going on. Big earnings day again today. Microsoft coming out with earnings, Tesla coming out with earnings, so we could see some market moves. Going to be an exciting one. Hope everybody's ready. Get your coffee. Let's get ready to roll. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll keep you updated throughout the day. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.